Ito po yung DTF printer po namin dito sa Tuguegarao na nagamit ng 6 na araw na may total meters na 26. Ito naman po yung printer head. Ito naman yung capping, head clean. Punasan ang wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Dito naman yung ink tank area. Ang ink system level is tama lang. Ito naman yung waste stock na linis nung Friday. Ito naman yung AVR na may 220 volt. Ito naman yung ground wire. Dito naman yung stock namin ng used, unused, DTF film, and DTF powder. Ito naman ang records na nagamit sa Cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and white. DTF powder, daily output, and daily checklist.